Hello all, I am PW Ingri working as an assistant professor at Sanjivani College of Engineering, Kuppalgaon in Mechanical Engineering department. So today we will solve some numericals on moving chord plate. So I will read the statement of numerical. A jet of water of diameter 7.5 centimeters strikes a chord plate at its center with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Okay, so velocity of jet is 20 meter per second and jet diameter is 7.5 centimeter. The chord plate is moving with a velocity of 8 meter per second. Okay, so plate is moving, so this is a problem of moving plate. Impact is center. Okay, everything is given in problem. So u equal to 8 meter per second. Jet is deflected through an angle of 165 degree. Assuming the plate smooth, calculate force exerted, power and efficiency of jet. Okay. So first of all, what is given? Diameter of jet. So calculate area, then velocity of jet v, velocity of plate u, angle of deflection of jet. So therefore angle made by relative velocity at outlet of plate is 180 minus 165. Okay, you see the diagram, you will get this is angle of deflection, okay, 180 minus theta. So here angle of deflection is how much, how much is theta then? Angle of deflection is given, it is 165. So it is theta equal to 180 minus 165. Okay. Now, yes, force exerted by the jet on the plate in a direction of jet is given by the equation S Fx equal to rho a in bracket v minus u square 1 plus cos theta. So you put all values, you will get the answer as 1250.38 Newton. Okay. In work done, it's Fx into u. So you are getting power of jet as 10 kilowatt. It is Newton meter. Newton meter is what? Joule per second. Joule per second is what? Watt. So upon 1000 we use the value in kilowatt. Efficiency of jet is output upon input. Okay. So work done by jet per second upon kinetic energy of jet. So we get the efficiency as 56.4%. Now the stationary when having an inlet angle of 0 degree. Inlet angle is what? 0 degree. Outlet angle is 25. Receives the water at a velocity of 50 meter per second. Determine the component of force acting on it in a direction of jet velocity and normal, and also calculate resultant force per unit weight of flow. This is very important. Per unit weight of flow. Okay, that is mass per second is 1. If stated when is moving, this is stationary plate. Okay. So if it is moving with a velocity of 20 meter per second, calculate the components. Okay. We solve this problem. So what is given? Velocity v, angle at outlet is 25. So for stationary wave Fx equal to mass per second in bracket v1x minus v2x. What is v1x? It is 50 meter per second. Why? Because angle at inlet is 0. V2x is minus 50 cos 25. So it is a case of what? At entry it is 0 and at exit it is 25 degree. So it is V2x is minus 50 cos 25. So just put the values force in a direction of jet per unit weight of water. So mass per second upon weight of water per second. You see the diagram. This is what 50 meter per second and this is angle 25. Inlet is 0, outlet is 25. Okay, so it is mass per second upon mass per second into G. So mass per second will get cancelled out. So you are getting 1 by G. Okay, very simple. Then force exerted by the jet in a direction perpendicular to the direction of jet per unit weight of flow. So it is again mass per second V1y minus V2y upon G into mass per second. So we are getting value as minus 2.154. Negative sign indicate what? It is acting in downward direction. Now resultant force, it is Fx square plus Fy square. You see here. This is what? Resultant force Fx and Fy. Okay. So Fr is 9.952 Newton. And what is angle? Tan theta is Fy by Fx. So theta is 12.50. Similarly, if the plate is moving, okay, so obviously V1x is V minus u. Then V2x is minus of minus V minus u cos 25. Then in the similar way, you can calculate what? Here instead of V, it is V minus u. Why? Because yes, plate is moving. So just calculate f dash x, f dash y, okay, and the resultant force, angle made by x-axis, theta angle, and power developed. Okay. Now next, a jet of water of diameter 2 centimeter and velocity 19.413 meter per second strike a series of flat plates. So it is a case of series of flat plate mounted on the periphery of wheel. Calculate force on the plate, rate of work done, and efficiency. For the series of flat plate, work, what is the equation for force? It is OAV in bracket V minus U. So calculate this. Then W is F into U. Okay. Then calculate for uh, oh, in problem. Yes. If the plate is moving at 8 meter per second, 10 meter per second, and 12.5. So for the velocity U equal to 8 meter per second, calculate work done, kinetic energy, and efficiency. So similarly, you can calculate for remaining velocity, that is 10 and 12.5. Very simple. Now force exerted by the jet on the series of moving plates. So this we have already calculated the equation. We have already found out and discussed. Okay. So problem based on that. Curved plates are mounted on the periphery of wheel. The curvature of plate is such that jet deflected through an angle of 160 degree. Okay. So theta angle we have to calculate. Then jet diameter is 2.5 centimeter. Velocity of jet is a velocity of 60 meter per second strike the plate as the wheel rotates. So it is a case of what? Series of plate, curved plate. So the yes, velocity is 25 meter per second, 30 and 40. Very simple. Kinetic energy, okay, 1 by 2 rho a v into v square. Then force rho a v in bracket v minus u 1 plus cos theta. And then work is f into u and calculate efficiency. Okay. So these are the values which we are getting for different cases. So this is all about the numericals based on uh, curved plate, okay, and series of curved and flat plate. So stop here. Thank you.